On today's video, we're going to change out the combination code on our key box lock. You need to have the combination to get in there. So this one is 03192. So let's go ahead and get in there and take this to the shop and go ahead and change out our combination. Okay, here's how it looks. So we have this little card in the back, like a little credit card with a little slot in it. So right here you can see where it says off and on. The combination, the numbers have to be on. So you can see the little arrows here. So what we're going to have to do is turn them on off. You see this card has a little slot, acts like a screwdriver. So we're going to turn all the numbers to off or up. If you don't have this card, you can just use a little small screwdriver. Make sure it pops back out. And there it is. All the numbers are facing up or off. Now it's time to add our new combination. Now we're only going to use 4 numbers on this combination this time. Okay, now we're going to put in 1304. First we're going to do the 1. Face it where it says on. So the arrow's going to go facing down. Zero. Four. Now you can see the 1, 3, 0, 4, all arrows facing down. Let's try it. 13, 0, 4, and there it is. And there it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like and hit that notification button.